In this video, we have to find the value of 9 factorial by 6 factorial plus 7 factorial. So we have 9 factorial by 6 factorial plus 7 factorial, and n factorial, it is equal to n times n minus 1 factorial if n is greater than equal to 1. So 7 factorial, it will be equal to 7 times 7 minus 1 factorial, that will be equal to 7 times 6 factorial, and 9 factorial, it will be equal to 9 times 9 minus 1 factorial, and it is 9 times 8 factorial, and it is 9 times 8 factorial will be 8 times 8 minus 1 factorial, and it is 9 times 8 times 7 factorial, and it is 9 times 8 times 7 factorial is 7 times 6 factorial. So 9 factorial is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial by 6 factorial plus 7 factorial is 7 times 6 factorial, and it is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial by, and we can take 6 factorial common, and it will be 1 plus 7, and 6 factorial will get cancelled. So it is 9 times 8 times 7 by 1 plus 7, and it is 9 times 8 times 7 by 8, and 8 will get cancelled. So it is 9 times 7, that is equal to 63. So it is 63.